Why some days you feel unstoppable, ready to crush your goals, while other days you can't even get off the bed. Or why scrolling your phone for hours feels great in a moment, but afterwards you feel like garbage. The answer is dopamine. If you want to stop your mood swings and regain control of your motivation, watch until the end. I promise you it's worth it. Dopamine is often called a feel-good chemical, but that's actually wrong. It's not about the pleasure, it's about wanting something. It's what makes you crave that next episode, that next scroll, and that next hit of excitement. But here's the catch. Your brain hates imbalance. If you flood yourself with too much dopamine, you actually end up feeling less motivated over time. Think of dopamine like a roller coaster. If you go up too fast, you crash even harder. Let's take doomscrolling for example. If you open your phone, scroll through TikTok, Instagram or YouTube Shorts, each swipe gives you a tiny hit of dopamine, a new video, a new laugh, a new surprise. At first, it feels good, but then you feel like crap. Why? Because you overloaded your dopamine system. Your brain got too much stimulation and now normal life feels boring. Reading a book? Working on your goals? Even talking to your friends? Nah, not that exciting as scrolling TikTok, right? Your baseline motivation drops and suddenly things that used to feel rewarding just don't. And this is exactly how people get stuck in dopamine addiction loops. They chase bigger and bigger highs, but they feel less and less motivated in the real world. Now, here's where things get crazy. If too much dopamine wrecks motivation, what happens if we reduce it? Have you ever noticed how after doing something painful like taking a cold shower, working out or even studying, you actually feel better afterward? That's because your brain works both ways. Instead of getting a huge spike and then crashing, these activities give you a temporary dip in dopamine, but afterwards your dopamine baseline rises. You feel more motivated, you have more energy and you're more focused. This is why hard things like exercise, studying or waking up early actually make you feel better in the long run. So if you've been feeling lazy, unmotivated or stuck, here are 4 simple tips. 1. Cut down on instant gratification. Reduce social media, junk food, binge watching of anything that gives you this effortless dopamine. Try even deleting TikTok and Instagram. If you really need to respond to other people, do it from the computer, it's far less addictive. Number 2. Do hard things first. And yes, that sounds very easy, but actually try starting your day with something challenging like cold shower, workout or deep work session. It will build this natural motivation and help you focus deeply on your daily tasks. Number 3. Delay rewards. Instead of rewarding yourself instantly, make yourself earn it. This strengthens your dopamine system over time. Want to watch YouTube or Netflix? Yes, go ahead, but decide that you can do it only after you work, for example, 4 hours on your project. And finally, number 4, the day 0 dopamine detox. Every week, try going 1 day without any artificial dopamine spikes. No phone, no sugar, no easy entertainment, even no music in the gym. Just let your brain reset. In your free time, you could work on your goals in silence or take a walk in the park. You will start appreciating the simple things far more. At first, it will feel boring, maybe even painful, but after a while, your natural motivation comes back stronger than ever. Dopamine isn't the enemy, it's just misunderstood. Use it wrong and you will feel lazy, unmotivated and constantly chasing empty highs. Use it right and you will feel driven, focused and in control of your life. So what is gonna be? Endless doom scrolling and feeling like crap, or building real motivation and actually getting things done? The choice is yours. Okay, thank you guys, and of course let me know in the comments what is the next topic you would like to see on my channel. Until the next time, bye bye.